At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, July 21, 2023, dear QuantumScape stock fans, mark your calendars for July 26th. QuantumScape is expected to report its first ever revenue next year. QuantumScape will report its second quarter earnings on July 26 after the market close. Analysts are expecting $0 in revenue and an adjusted loss per share of 19 cents. QuantumScape stock is up more than 70% so far this year. On July 26, or next Wednesday, QuantumScape, NYSE, QS, will report its second quarter earnings after the market close. The pre-revenue solid-state battery company has enjoyed a generous year, with its shares up more than 70% year to date. At the same time, QuantumScape stock carries a short interest as a percentage of float of 22.72% as of June 30, up by 6.19% compared to the previous reading. That's equivalent to 61.58 million shares of QuantumScape sold short, meaning that a better than expected earnings report could possibly influence short sellers to cover their positions. During QuantumScape's last earnings, it revealed that it had successfully completed testing of its 24-layer A0 prototype cells with one automotive customer. The company also disclosed that it had successfully completed testing of its 0 externally applied pressure single-layer prototype cells. Both tests showed that the cells evidenced less than 1% capacity loss per 100 cycles. QuantumScape to report earnings on July 26. Analysts have forecast $0 in revenue and an adjusted loss per share of 19 cents for QuantumScape's second quarter. During first quarter, the company reported $0 in revenue and a loss per share of 24 cents. Meanwhile, adjusted net income is expected to be a loss of $100 million, improving from a loss of $105 million quarter over quarter. QuantumScape is expected to be an unprofitable company for the next few years. Based on analyst estimates from Coefin, the firm is expected to report a GAAP loss per share all the way out until fourth quarter of 2025, which is the quarter of the farthest estimate. However, it's also expected to report $3 million of revenue, its first ever revenue, during first quarter of 2024. Revenue for each quarter of 2024 is forecast to be $3 million per quarter. By 2025, analysts have forecasted $54 million of revenue for the entire year. Ultimately, an investment in QuantumScape stock is an investment in the idea that the company can create an efficient solid-state battery. QuantumScape's future revenue will also be dependent on the prevalence of electric vehicles and whether EV companies will want to use the firm's battery. That said, QuantumScape isn't the only company looking to create a dependent solid-state battery, so competition will be a major risk as well. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.